Welcome to your Monday Mortgage Market Update. We've now seen a full month of rate improvement. Not massive improvements, they're not dropping, plummeting, but they're still moving lower. For 4 straight weeks now, we've begun this week with better rates than last week. So what happened last week? Well, Friday we had our big jobs report that showed issues when you really look deeper in the numbers. The headline looked good, but when you start looking at the numbers, you realize that our employment market is softening, and that's good for rates. What are we going to see this week? Well, the big things happen on Wednesday and Thursday. On Wednesday, we'll see the Consumer Price Index, or the CPI. On Thursday, we'll see the PPI, the Producer Price Index. Those are inflationary measures. We want to continue to see that inflation is low. We don't want to go to negative inflation, but we want to continue seeing it drop, and that will help mortgage rates. If we see inflation numbers spike back up, that could lead to problems. So where are mortgage rates? The 30-year is at 6.68%, the 15 is at 5.98%, and the FHA is at 6.12%. Remember, these numbers come from Mortgage News Daily. They are not Weber mortgage rates. We'll be happy to give you a personalized quote if you want to see that. Hey, it's mid-December. Many of you guys have completed your Christmas shopping. If you have, I hope you were able to do that with cash, or that you have the money to pay those credit cards off. Unfortunately, a lot of people this time of year will run up consumer debt to handle their Christmas, whether it's Christmas travel or Christmas gifts or Christmas parties, whatever it is. A lot of people, unfortunately, will have to use credit to pay for these things. And if you're in that boat, we can help you. You do not want to carry balances on your credit cards. That's extremely expensive. Oftentimes, credit cards can charge in the 20% range, low, mid, high 20s, maybe even in the 30s before they become usury interest rates, which means they're allowed to charge you a ridiculous amount of interest. And if you're making the minimum payment, it will take you forever to pay that back. Don't be that guy or that gal. Instead, talk to us about either a cash out refinance if you have substantial revolving debt, or maybe a home equity line of credit where you can roll that in, put it into one vehicle at a much lower rate, and really start making progress against it. Hope you guys are geared up for a fantastic holiday season, and we want you to know that at Weber Mortgage we appreciate you, and we're a family in the business of helping families.